Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and this has been long overdue because I've been wanting to do a video with my spider gels and do a design with my spider gels. So I'm starting out here. My nails are already prepped with a latex so that I can remove this gel polish. This glitter polish, silver glitter that I'm using for my accent nail, I will show you this in a second here. I have reviewed this in the past. This is from the Diamond Nail Gel Collection Lifu from Model 1s. This one is number 3551 that I have reviewed before. This is the cat eye gel polish that I'm going to use by Your Sugar. There's the swatch right there. I absolutely love this. I've been wanting to use this since I reviewed it. Okay, now that they're fully cured, before I start with the spider gel, guys, I do want to finish these up with a top coat because from having played with the spider gels before, it's best if you start applying them over a finished nail, over gel top coat, because if you mess up, if you don't like something, you can always just wipe it off. Okay, so just before I start with the spider gel, I'm going to go ahead and apply latex. While my latex is drying, let me go ahead and show you the spider gels that I'm going to use, guys. The white one, this is my homemade spider gel. If you missed the video on how I made this spider gel, I will have it linked down below. This is all I have left. I didn't realize. I have not pulled this out. I haven't used it in a while since I did some samples. Hopefully it will still work. Last time after it had been sitting for a while, it still worked. It's just I don't have much left. I've been meaning to make more, and even though it's in a clear container, I do keep it stored in a drawer away from any natural light. And the black one, this is by Venalisa. I ordered this from Amazon, but it came from, who knows, probably from another planet because of how long it took. I actually ordered a white and a black. Only the black one made it. The package had been opened, wrapped up with a nasty, dirty rubber band. It's how this finally came to me. It was considered lost, and I even got refunded for the whole thing. This came when I wasn't even expecting it, and yeah. But anyway, that's why I wouldn't, I mean, if you can try other sources, maybe AliExpress, you can try to find it on Amazon, but I would not recommend the seller that I order from because of the condition that this finally arrived, and I only got half of my order. Anyway, so this is the black one that I'm going to use. It works really, really good. It is a good product. It's just, I don't know, whoever's selling it out there, it's just horrible to try to get it. Okay, so these are dry now. Now let's go. Let me go ahead and prepare to work with these. Okay, well, how about that? Check it out, guys. My homemade spider gel. Look at that. Oh, it still works so good. I just barely have anything in there. Oh my gosh, I haven't made any more. Guys, I did a flash cure there of what I had here so far. I actually forgot about doing my flash cure before these two, doing these lines right here. I just had a hard time of getting that line straight, so I kind of had to go in a different position under the camera. Now let's try here. Okay, so that is how I'm going to do for my middle nail. And another reason I'm doing this on my nails, guys, is because I wanted you to see what it's like to do this on yourself. Okay, it's different when you're working on tips. You see a lot of people, you do all that wrapping and wrapping and wrapping around, and see, there's no skin to have to worry about. It's very different when you work on yourself, or maybe even somebody else. Very fine. I'm sorry if I was off camera there, but off frame, but let me go ahead and flash cure these. Okay guys, for this last nail, you're seeing me, or for the pinky, you're seeing me how I extend the line where I want it. I gotta decide which way I want to go with this side. And then if it goes past, because it is going past the middle, the center. Okay. But before I cure it, I'm going to go ahead and erase it from this side, because I don't want that as part of the design. Remember that my middle, that one into center, it's cured, and now I'm going to put it in the lamp. So I am done with all the white. Gosh, wow, I'm surprised this still works. And I barely have anything in there. You saw what I was able to do and how much it stretches. Wow. Okay, and so I'm not going to worry about the cleanup until later. Now let's pull out this black. Okay guys, here is the design completed prior to cleanup, obviously. And I have to be honest, that black spider gel, while it's a very good quality one compared to other ones that I've purchased, or the ones that are in the market, I personally feel my white homemade spider gel works way better when it comes to the elasticity on this white gel, because I'm able to stretch it out and do the touch and go and keep that fine line. I'm going to blame this on not being as fine as I would like to, like these lines here and these lines here, on me not having to do a flash cure as soon as I should have. It will settle though. My white one will start settling and the lines will start fattening. But on this black one, I could not do the touch and go as I wanted, hence the reason why there seemed to be, you know, those dots that, yeah, okay, they could be part of the design, but not for what I was going for. Okay, I really want fine lines, no dots or spots. So yeah, I just can go spotless with the black because I cannot do that touch and go. Now let me try to use this tool here to remove this latex. And there is, like I say, sometimes you cannot avoid your skin on doing the touch and goes on the design. Okay, oh, I love this latex, it works so cool. Look at how nice and clean that is. Okay, and so the ones that if I got some on my skin, no big deal, this will flake off. Alright, so here we are with the finished look, guys. I went ahead and completed this one with a top coat, a no wipe top coat, because I noticed this black spider gel, it has an inhibition layer. It is tacky after it is cured, so it might be good for embossing and using with foils too. My white one wasn't, and I prefer this look. Now if you want this, I mean, it's still, let's see, if I don't, I guess it depends on how thick the lines are. I really don't like, it's like in parts it feels completely smooth. It really doesn't feel like 3D, but these do have the 3D feel to them slightly. I mean, the lines are very thin, and I prefer the look of the glossy, I mean the matte lines against the glossy base. I do like that. So I would prefer not to have to put top coat when I'm finished with this design. I like that very much. What do you guys think? I am finally glad I got to play with these and do a design on my nails. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer any questions about the homemade spider gel. Again, I will have that link down below as well as an end card at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.